A shadow hangs over Boeing's South Carolina plant. A recent discovery sent shockwaves through the aviation industry. A critical fuselage panel intended for the 787 Dreamliner was found improperly installed. This incident, discovered in late 2023, raised serious concerns about Boeing's manufacturing processes. It brought back haunting memories of the 737 MAX crisis, which had shaken public trust in the company. This latest incident came at a critical time for Boeing. They were already grappling with production delays and a tarnished reputation. The FAA, in response, demanded immediate action. The agency imposed a strict deadline for Boeing to present a comprehensive plan. This plan needed to address the systemic issues plaguing its safety and quality control. The pressure was on. Boeing had to prove that it was capable of learning from its past mistakes. The company's future, and the safety of countless passengers, depended on its ability to deliver. The industry watched with bated breath, wondering if Boeing could rise to the challenge. The stakes had never been higher. The Federal Aviation Administration, FAA, didn't mince words. They issued a stern ultimatum to Boeing. The agency demanded a complete overhaul of Boeing's safety culture. This included rigorous new quality control measures. The FAA wanted to see a fundamental shift in how Boeing approached aircraft design and manufacturing. This wasn't just about fixing the immediate issue with the fuselage panel, it was about addressing the root causes of Boeing's recent safety lapses. The FAA demanded transparency. They wanted to understand how these issues had gone unnoticed for so long. They required Boeing to provide a detailed account of its internal processes. This included everything from engineering reviews to factory floor inspections. The FAA's message was clear: sweeping changes were needed. Boeing could no longer afford to prioritize production speed over safety. The agency's demands sent ripples through the aviation industry. Airlines, regulators, and passengers alike awaited Boeing's response with a mix of anticipation and apprehension. The world was watching. Boeing's next move would determine not only its own fate but also the future of air travel. The company had to prove that it was serious about regaining the trust it had lost. Boeing faced a monumental task. The company had to rebuild its safety infrastructure from the ground up. Time was of the essence, and the pressure was immense. Boeing assembled a team of top engineers, safety experts, and manufacturing specialists. Their mission was clear: to develop a comprehensive plan that would satisfy the FAA's stringent demands. The plan had to address every aspect of Boeing's operations. It included design, manufacturing, quality control, and supply chain management. Boeing knew it had to go above and beyond. The company pledged to invest heavily in new technologies. These included advanced automation, digital twins, and real-time data analytics. The goal was to create a more robust and proactive safety system. Boeing also promised to revamp its training programs. This was to ensure that all employees, from engineers to assembly line workers, were equipped to prioritize safety at every step. The company was determined to not just meet but exceed the FAA's expectations. Industry experts weigh in, a spectrum of perspectives. The aviation industry watched Boeing's every move with intense scrutiny. Experts offered a range of perspectives on the company's efforts. Some remained skeptical, pointing to Boeing's past failures. They argued that true change would require a fundamental shift in corporate culture. Others expressed cautious optimism. They acknowledged the enormity of the challenge but also recognized Boeing's commitment to addressing the issues. These experts emphasized the importance of independent oversight and verification. Airlines, caught in the middle, expressed a mix of frustration and hope. They needed Boeing to deliver safe and reliable aircraft. They also recognized the need for a thorough and transparent investigation. Passenger groups understandably remained concerned. The memory of the 737 MAX tragedies was still fresh. They demanded assurance that Boeing was taking every possible step to prevent future accidents. The industry consensus was clear: Boeing had a long way to go to regain trust. The stakes are high. Boeing's impact on aviation's future. Boeing's fate has far-reaching implications for the entire aviation sector. As one of the world's leading aircraft manufacturers, Boeing's actions have a ripple effect throughout the industry. A strong and reliable Boeing is crucial for the health of the global airline industry. The company's ability to regain the trust of regulators, airlines, and passengers is paramount. Success would mean a safer and more resilient aviation ecosystem. Failure, however, could have devastating consequences. A loss of confidence in Boeing could lead to decreased demand for its aircraft. This could have a significant impact on the company's financial stability. It could even jeopardize its position as a global leader in the industry. Moreover, a prolonged crisis at Boeing could stifle innovation and investment in the aviation sector as a whole. It could also lead to increased regulatory scrutiny and stricter safety requirements, potentially impacting the pace of development and the affordability of air travel. The world is watching, hoping that Boeing can deliver on its promises and ensure a safer future for air travel.